last week, this time we turned on the ads for my restaurant, and the phone has been ringing.
Look at all this good news. That's incredible.
Yeah, so it's been really, really great on
the
that.
The phone has been ringing off the hook. I love it.
Uh-oh, I think I have bad. I think my Wi-Fi is a little bit bad. Are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, that's been really good, and our sales are up even a new person. So that's really good. But on my side of things, and my webinar leads are doing good. All of those ads and ad sets are doing really well. So I'm going to be moving on to adding.
Yeah, these are doing incredible as well. I mean, outstanding numbers here. Lots of wins going on.
Yeah. So, but with my ebook purchases, so, I like made a mistake, went a little too far ahead, and ended up running off these ones that are in the active state, and then those ones weren't performing as well. So I ended up turning those off instead of turning off the ads, but I turned them back on 2 days ago, I think. But these other 3 that you see, they're in learning limited, and I just wanted to kind of see what I needed to do to get out of that. And
go to the last 7 days. I bet since you've made those changes, your ROAS probably went down.
Yes.
Yeah.
So like they've
so
gone down.
Definitely scale back spend.
Okay.
Yeah, because you made those adjustments that hurts your ROAS.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so should I just kind of hang here scale back spend and hang here until these ones finish learning?
Scale back spend until these things are producing 3x plus, and then consider going up again. In the meantime, launch an interest testing campaign.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. And I'm assuming that's in like the phase 4, which I haven't watched those videos yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And then I think I had one other question. Let me see. Oh, so what if some of my ads in my webinar leads, like some of them you can really clearly tell which ones are the clear winners. Let me see.
Those are
it doesn't look like they're ever going to really get past $5.
Boom. There you go. You already know how to navigate it. Nice.
Right. So should I cut these? I mean, they've been running for like since
absolutely
end of January. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. That's what I wanted to make sure.
Well, also you might not even have to cut them, to be honest. Like they don't really have any spend.
Okay.
They might end up becoming your best performers after the top ones die off.
Okay.
Might save you some time.
Yeah. Then I'll leave them.
If they have like a couple dollars spent, then definitely cut.
Okay. So like these ones have like $1.
Okay. So like that 353, I would cut.
Okay. So I'll cut that one.
Yeah. Those types of things, when they start to climb and spend, that's when I would consider.
Okay.
Everything else looks great.
Everything else like around that $1.
Yeah.
Like right
exactly.
Around. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's it. Yep.
Awesome. Right. Yeah, you're doing great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.